Hey everyone! If you're looking to run scripts on Roblox using your iPhone or iPad, you probably realize you can't just download an app. Today, I'm showing you the step-by-step process of side loading the Delta Executor IPA file so you can get started. Let's jump into it. Step 1. Download the Delta IPA. First, you need the actual file. Go to the official Delta Executor website on your computer. Look specifically for iOS version or the IPA file. Save this to your desktop and make sure you're using the official site to avoid any malware, as there are many fake versions of Delta out there. Step 2. Set up SideLoadly. To get this file onto your iPhone, we're using SideLoadly. First, open SideLoadly on your PC or Mac and connect your iPhone via USB. Once your device shows up at the top, enter your Apple ID. Now, drag the Delta IPA file you just downloaded into the SideLoadly window and hit Start. This will install the modified Roblox app onto your phone. Step 3. Trust the certificate. Once the install is finished, the Delta Roblox icon will appear on your home screen, but it won't open yet. Now, on your iPhone, go to Settings, General, then VPN and Device Management. Tap on your Apple ID and select Trust. This tells iOS that the app you just installed is safe to run. Step 4. Launch and get your key. Now, open the new Roblox app. You'll notice the Delta menu appearing on the side. Now, log into your Roblox account. You will likely need to complete the key system to activate the executor. Click Get Key, complete the verification in your browser, and paste the code back into Delta. You're now ready to execute your scripts. Just a reminder, because this is a free developer certificate, you will need to reinstall or refresh the app through SideLoadly every 7 days. And that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you out and I'll see you in the next one.